Welcome back to MDisk Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sorting data by a specific column in Google Sheets is as straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. You have to remember that by sorting data, you can quickly identify trends, patterns, and outliers within your dataset. I find it very useful for analyzing numerical data, like figures, expenses, over time across different categories, because sorting enables easy comparison of values within a column, and it's very practical for identifying the highest or lowest values, finding duplicates, or checking for discrepancies in datasets. Now, it similarly works like what you are used when working with Excel, but here in Google Sheets, there's a little bit like a small difference. Now, if you wanted to sort the specific columns by categories, you might want to select them all for once. Let me delete that for now. Okay, I must select this, and I'm going to double click, select all the data. You can right click and go to more selections, but I prefer to click on the data. Now see, here you have an option to sort the sheet by columns A to Z. All right, so here, that one, or you can undo that, select that, go to data, sort range by column A, Z to A. But what I want you to do is to click on the advanced range sorting options. Now you have an option here to check that data has a header row. You can sort by name, by currency if you have that, and A to Z or Z to A. Because when you do that, what will happen is, you see, it's being sorted out by name. And again, you simply go to the data and sort range, click on advanced sorting options, click this, click currency. You see? So when you undo that and redo, you will see the changes here on your specific column. All right. Now that means by sorting data here in specific columns, you can enhance the data management and presentation capabilities. Because when you do that, go to advanced sorting options. You can also add another sorting column. And it would enable users to derive meaningful insights and, of course, make informed decisions based on the organized and structured information by sorting specific columns. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.